Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and in this video I want to explain to you why sometimes on the estimate we say that a dent's not going to be repairable to 100%. We are going to improve a severe damage to about 90 to 98%. And these dents here, for example, this is a no-no. These dents here have been repaired by someone that didn't have enough experience, and maybe these dents were repairable by using paintless dent removal, but not anymore. Now they have to go back to their body shop and they have to repaint the whole panel. If we say that your vehicle can be repaired by using paintless dent removal, it's because you're going to have a lot of benefits. We are going to keep the original painting, the original factory finish of your vehicle, just like when you bought it at the dealership. We come to you. We are mobile. We can come to your home, to your office, and dents can be repaired on the same day. If your vehicle is not repairable by using paintless dent removal techniques, we are going to tell you that you have to take your vehicle to a body shop. And this dent here, for example, we knew it wasn't gonna be a perfect repair. You can see where I showed the two arrows there. The top arrow, the white arrow, shows the body line. That part was really deep, and also the bottom part of this panel was really bent, and we knew those two areas there wasn't gonna come out perfect. But you can see on the bottom picture, the after picture, it looks really clean, but it was a little bit of imperfection there, and that's why we say this repair wasn't 100% repair. Even though you get a lot of benefits from it. We kept the original painting, there was no painting involved, we kept the original factory finish, and we were able to reshape this panel to its original shape. This one here as well, you can see where I showed the arrows there. We knew it wasn't gonna be a perfect repair, but you can see how complex the dent was. It was a big dent, and we were able to repair it without using any painting, all paintless dent removal. Thanks for watching, and for a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101.